Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add title pictured block layout in Microsoft Excel. So for that, after importing the image, you have to select that image, and after resizing it, you have to select it and then click on this format tab. After clicking on this format tab, you have to click on in this picture layout, and in this third row, the first option that we have is title picture blocks. You can keep your cursor over there to have a temporary preview on the actual picture, or you can click on that to apply. Now just after applying, you can see this picture contains a title on its top. Now whatever you want to edit in this picture, you can select it and edit it. Like for example, I am selecting this picture, and then if I click in this format tab, then you can edit this picture border or the picture effect. You can add multiple effects. Okay guys, similarly if you want to edit this text, then you can click on this little arrow, or you can click on this text box. I'll click on this arrow and I will write here, and if you press enter after writing, more pictures will be added. Similarly, if you press back, then the picture will be deleted including the text. Now let's suppose you want to edit this text, then you can select it, and then in this home button, in this font group, you can edit the things that you want. For example, I'll edit the font and the size, everything. Okay, so this was guys title picture block layout. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.